GitHub tutorial. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about GitHub and what is GitHub and how you're going to use it. Now GitHub is a place where coders meet each other, where actual software tycoons meet each other, where actual people who are into computer science, they're good in coding, they're good in software, they all meet each other over here. On GitHub you can find different programs, different types of applications, front end, back end, all these codes that you can find for yourself, and it's pretty incredible. So let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.